Light Energy Solution is your trusted partner in solar plant maintenance. We specialize in ensuring the optimal performance, efficiency, and longevity of your solar energy systems. Our expert team provides comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs, helping you harness the full potential of solar power. Our services: preventive maintenance, regular inspections and servicing to prevent costly breakdowns. Corrective maintenance, quick troubleshooting and repairs to restore efficiency. Cleaning services, professional cleaning to maximize solar panel output. Performance monitoring, advanced diagnostics to track and enhance energy generation. Upgrades and optimization, system improvements to boost performance. Battery storage solutions, maintenance and management of energy storage units. Consultation and training, expert guidance for better solar plant management. Why choose us? Experienced professionals dedicated to solar excellence, cost-effective maintenance solutions, cutting-edge technology for monitoring and diagnostics, 24/7 support for quick response and assistance, commitment to sustainability and renewable energy success.